Hello everybody, I'm Sean.
And I'm Amber.
And we are the couple that grills together. And this morning, we're going to make
Come on, man.
Crescent roll waffles. Honey butter crescent roll waffles. Don't have to say that though.
Hello everybody, I'm Sean.
And I'm Amber.
And we are the couple that grills together. And this morning...
Could you start to say today?
Yeah.
Just this? Get it together. Be a professional, Sean.
I know. Crescent. Hello everybody, I'm Sean.
And I'm Amber.
And we are the couple that grills together. And this morning, we're going to make Crescent roll waffles. And how are we going to do that, Amber?
Well, we are going to take these crescent rolls that we have, and we're going to take two of the squares or two of the triangles and lightly roll it up into a ball, put it in our waffle maker, and just cook them. And I think they're going to turn out great, but we've never done this before, so you'll be seeing it with us.
And we're going to top it off with some strawberry, pineapple, some butter, and maple syrup. It's going to be good stuff. Let's get it going. Let's turn on that waffle maker.
Okay, so we have our crescent rolls rolled out, and each package of the crescent rolls comes with 8 crescent rolls, and we're going to use 2 per waffle. So I'm just going to tear these like this so that you have the 2 triangles together.
That looks like fun.
It's like playing with Play-Doh. Now for the waffle iron, the model that we have has 6 different temperature settings. I have put this on level 3 because we don't want them to get too brown on the outside, and we don't want them to cook too quickly because of it being a dough. That way, by setting it on 3, if we need to recycle on the cook setting and do it again, it's not going to get the outside too dark for us.
All right, the waffle iron is heated up. So now we're going to spray it with a little Pam grilling spray and get the waffles on, Amber.
Okay. So we're going to take one of the balls of dough that we made and just put it right in the center of the waffle iron and then press down. Turn, and we're going to do the second one. And now we're just going to let them cook.
Let's check it out, Amber.
All right.
That looks good.
It does.
Well, she's just throwing it around. So there's our first 2. Turned out real good. We're going to put these in the microwave, keep them warm while we do the other 2. 2 waffles look like they're done. Well, that one, yeah, there you go. All right. Now, I'm gonna put some pineapple and strawberry on there. Oh, first a little butter, I guess, huh? Want a little butter on them, Amber?
Just a little.
There's a little butter. Do you want to put the pineapple and strawberry on there? Now we want to put some syrup on there.
Yeah. They look really good.
Yes, they do. And we do have our frozen orange juice that we like with our breakfast. So now we're going to give these a try, Amber.
Okay, you ready?
Oh, you got that for me?
Uh-huh.
Oh, man. I like that. I like that a lot. That is very good. Oh, man. Very light
That is good.
and tasty.
No, we use the honey butter. So honestly, you don't really need syrup on it. It has a
I don't know. I take syrup on mine.
it has a really good
Probably don't
sweet-
need to put butter on it.
No, it doesn't need butter either.
Because we ain't got to the butter part where I put the butter.
Mm.
Man, that is good.
Very good stuff. This was so easy to make.
Yeah, I mean, when you see this video, oh man,
It's like a dessert.
there won't be hardly anything cut out of the video because that's how quick and easy this was.
And,
Except for the beginning where I had to do it 3 times because I couldn't say crescent rolls. Man,
very easy to make, and it doesn't make huge waffles, but I think it was a good sized waffle.
very good sized waffle. And here's what I'll tell you. Very lightly crispy on the outside. I'm just shocked because I would have never thought about this. This was Amber's idea. But I'll tell you, that is smacking good little waffles there, baby.
Mhm.
Oh, man.
And I think that was the perfect doneness on the outside.
Yeah.
If you want it to be a little bit crispier on the outside, then you could cook it.
Cook
to
it
a
however
higher
long
level.
you want it, yeah.
Again, ours was on level 3, and it's a Cuisinart waffle iron. But this was really good.
It was.
And you
Well,
can't get any easier.
Come on, grab your frozen orange juice.
All
Amber.
right.
Cheers.
Cheers, Sean.
Great waffles.
Yes.
So, I say we get the other 2 out of the microwave. They've been warming up. So I'll have 2 waffles and you need the rest of that
Thanks.
one. You're welcome. Because everything's better together.
Is this all that you dreamed it'd be?
That is good.
Ending up here, ending up with me.
Is that it?
Yes.
guess
You
you
could
get the
have
juice.
gone anywhere, been anyone.
Oh, well. Got any more
You
crescent
stole my
rolls?
heart like a thief on the run.
I'm shocked at how
You're not
quick
much
that was.
for
How good that is.
And they are cooked throughout.
Yeah, that's good. I love the outside. other.
As far as
Yeah.
the